Here's a wild fact. Every time you sneeze, your eyes slam shut like you just saw something shocking. So why do we always sneeze with our eyes closed? It's not because your eyeballs will pop out, trust me, that's just a myth. When you sneeze, your body's reflexes kick in to protect you. Sneezing is a super speedy burst of air, sometimes faster than a hurricane. Your eyelids automatically shut, kind of like your body's way of installing safety goggles. This helps keep out germs, dust, and anything else flying out during your achoo moment. Plus, closing your eyes is just one of those things your brain does.